I would show you guys my Christmas decorating routine. I have to have a certain aesthetic outside in order for me to decorate for Christmas, meaning that it has to be kind of gloomy, or it has to be snowing, definitely has to be cold. It just has to fit that vibe and the bill of for me decorating for Christmas. We're about to get snuggly and we're about to light some candles, put some Christmas music on, and we're gonna get that whole Christmassy vibe going. For Christmas decorations are nutcrackers. Does anybody else love nutcrackers as much as I do? My mom will get me a nutcracker every single year to add to my collection. I have little ones, I have classic ones, I have traditional ones, I have non-classical and traditional ones, and I just love collecting them. To put up the tree, and I have a special thing that I always like to do whenever I put up my tree, so let's go do that.
In the small town of Whoville, the home of the Whos.
My tree together and it is not lighting up, and I don't know what to do. I don't know how to fix that. I need my husband. I'm gonna wait for him to come home because I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how, but I just plugged in my tree and wiggled the wire, and then the top of the tree came on. So I think I'm gonna plug it into the tree and then just go ahead and decorate, because Tim comes home in about exactly 1 hour from work, and I was hoping to surprise him with entirely decorating the house for Christmas and getting this all cleaned up before he gets home. So wish me luck. I'm gonna try and do this. So I just picked up these really pretty sequins, like pearly ornaments from Hobby Lobby. And then I added some black ribbon bows to the top. I was going for more of like a chic French Chanel kind of themed tree. And I ended up buying a tree with colored lights instead of white lights like I wanted, because they sold out right whenever I bought it. I think these still work really well for the tree, and I think they're so pretty. I'm obsessed with these ornaments. But yeah, these were just a little DIY project. And what kind of southern girl would I be if I didn't decorate with some magnolia leaves?